If you need to temporarily pause OneDrive syncing on your Windows desktop, whether it's for a big file transfer, streaming, or just to conserve bandwidth, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to pause and resume your OneDrive sync safely, how to tweak your sync settings, and some important tips to protect your files. Let's dive right in and make sure your OneDrive behaves just the way you need it. First, let's start by pausing the sync for a set amount of time. This is great if you just need a temporary break, maybe for a meeting or while you're gaming and don't want OneDrive gobbling up your bandwidth. Look down at the bottom right of your screen. This is your Windows taskbar. You should see a small blue or white cloud icon which represents OneDrive. Sometimes it's not visible right away. If that's the case, look for a little upward arrow, usually called Show Hidden Icons. Give that a click and you'll see more icons pop up, including the OneDrive Cloud. Once you found that cloud icon, right-click it. This will open up a menu with several options. One important thing to note here is that you want to right-click, not left-click. Right-clicking gives you the administrative menu, which is where the syncing options live. Now look for an option that says Pause Syncing. If you hover over or click on that, you'll see choices to pause syncing for 2 hours, 8 hours, or even 24 hours. This gives you flexibility. Just pick the time that best matches your needs. Let's say you chose to pause for 8 hours. Instantly, you'll notice the OneDrive Cloud icon changes to show a little pause symbol or say paused. This visual cue is super handy. It lets you know at a glance that OneDrive is on hold and not syncing any files right now. This part might take a couple of seconds to show, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Now suppose you're ready for OneDrive to get back to work before your pause time is up, or maybe you finished your important task sooner than expected. All you need to do is right-click the OneDrive icon again and select Resume Syncing. OneDrive picks up where it left off. No need to restart your computer or mess with any extra settings. Now let's talk about pausing for longer periods or stopping syncing more selectively. Maybe you don't want to pause everything, just certain folders from syncing to your cloud. Here, how you do it. Right-click that OneDrive icon one more time, select Settings, and then look for the gear icon. Navigate to the Account tab, then click Choose Folders. Here you can uncheck the folders you don't want cloud synced right now. Think of it like telling OneDrive, ignore these for now. When you click OK, those folders stay on your computer but won't upload or download through OneDrive until you let them. If you want to fully stop OneDrive temporarily, maybe for troubleshooting, you'll find a Quit OneDrive option just below the Pause Sync choices. Clicking this will completely close OneDrive. For now, it won't run until you open it again. Just a gentle reminder, when you quit or unlink OneDrive, double-check any files still saving to your cloud. According to Microsoft support, sometimes this can mean local copies get deleted if they're not synced. Take a moment to move or back up critical files before you quit OneDrive just to play it safe. One more tip before we wrap up. OneDrive will sometimes pause syncing automatically, like if Windows goes into battery saver mode or if you're using a metered connection to save data. You might notice the icon switches to a pause state without you doing anything. That's OneDrive being smart and not hogging your resources. And that's all you need to know to confidently pause or tweak syncing in OneDrive on your desktop. I hope this helps you keep your files and bandwidth under control just the way you want. If this video made things easier for you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want more tips, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials delivered straight to your feed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.